So today we want to install a 15 kilowatt hour battery with a 10 kVA inverter here in this building, and we'll set up our scaffold, as you can see, for solar panels that's going to be lifted to the roof, and we are ready for the installation. We're going to be changing a tubular battery that's about 10 to 15 kilowatts, and then we're going to be installing a lithium battery. The system is going to be designed for home upkeep. This is a Seawatts 15 kilowatt hour battery, and we're taking it up there with these young men. As you can see, their face, they're not smiling, because lifting this guy up is not easy at all. Let me show you how it looks like. This is 10 kilowatts. As you can see, rising to about 20 kilowatts tubular battery, and although it has served its time, so we are going to change this to a 15 kilowatt hour battery, and then run it with our 10 kVA inverter here, and the system will come back to life. So let's give it life.